Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the previous class, we have solved the problems on quotient rule in differentiation. Today, let us go for an important topic in differentiation: chain rule. Chain rule. This is very important topic in differentiation. If y is equal to sine x square, find dy by dx. So you can solve directly. Let us solve directly in first method. So y is equal to sine x square. So we know the formula for the differentiation of sine x. We know the sine x. Sine x is cos x. Sine x differentiation is cos x. In the place of x here, x square is there. Okay. So let us differentiate first. Differentiation of sine x. Sine x is sine. You have to assume that the x square is an x. Means we have to write cos. In the place of x, you should write x square. So in the place of x is x square is there. Again, you have to differentiate. So differentiation of x square. Differentiation of x square means, so cos x square. Again, differentiate x square means 2x. So this is the chain rule. You can follow another method. So let us try here. Y is equal to sine of x square. Okay. So let us consider u is equal to x square. U is equal to x square. Let us consider u is equal to x square. Let us substitute here y is equal to sine u. Y is equal to sine u. So if you differentiate with respect to x, differentiation of y with respect to x, differentiation of sine x is cos x. Here in the place of x is u is there. You are differentiating with respect to x, so you have to write here different du by dx. Okay. So again here you have taken u is equal to x square. So separately differentiate this one. Differentiation of u with respect to x means you are getting 2x. Okay. Then substitute the values of u and du by dx in this. dy by dx is equal to cos x square. Then u means du by dx means 2x. So you can follow these two methods. Or you can directly solve this one, or you can follow this one. Let us take another problem. Same problem. I will change little bit. Y is equal to sine root x. Y is equal to sine root x. Okay, I will do directly here. Differentiation of y with respect to x is equal to sine x differentiation is cos x. In the place of x is root x is there. So here in the place of x, root x is there. So again you have to differentiate root x. Then the root x differentiation you have to do. So cos root x as it is, then differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So you can follow this method also. Let us try this one. So y is equal to sine root x. So then consider root x as an u. U is equal to root x. Okay. Then substitute in this y is equal to sine u. Y is equal to sine u. Okay. Then differentiation of y with respect to x is equal to sine u differentiation is cos u. Here u is there. We are differentiating with respect to x. So differentiation of u with respect to x you have to write here again. So then differentiate this one. What you have taken u is equal to root x with respect to x. Differentiation of u with respect to x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Then substitute the value of u and du by dx. Then cos u means root x and du by dx means 1 by 2 root x. So this is the chain rule. You can, which is easy, you can follow that method. Okay. I've done the two methods. This is a direct method. This is a substitution method. Okay. Let us take the next problem. differentiate with respect to x square minus x plus 1 whole to the power of 8. Okay, let us take y is equal to x square minus x plus 1 whole to the power of 8. Okay, let us follow the first method directly. So if you assume this is an x to the power of n, so let us apply the x to the power of n formula is, you know, n into x to the power of n minus 1. So you have to assume this is an x, but you have to write in the place of x square minus x plus 1 only. Okay, so differentiation of y with respect to x is equal to 8. In the place of n is 8. In the place of x is x square minus x plus 1 whole to the power of 8 minus 1 is 7. In the place of x is here, x square minus x plus 1 is there. So you have to again differentiate this one. So if you differentiate, so 8 into x square minus x plus 1 whole to the power of 7. So differentiation of this is 2x minus 1 plus 0. Then 8 into x square minus x plus 1 whole to the power of 7 and 2x minus 1. This is the answer. Or you can follow the another method, substitution method. Let us take the substitution method. Y is equal to x square minus x plus 1 whole to the power of 8. So let us consider u is equal to x square minus x plus 1. Okay, so here let us substitute here in the place of x square minus x plus 1 as an u whole to the power of 8. So differentiate this one with respect to x. So then you are getting 8 u to the power of 7. You should apply this formula, x to the power of n is equal to n into x to the power of n minus 1. Then here u is the function is u, so differentiation of u with respect to x you have to write. Again differentiate u, differentiation of u with respect to x is equal to 2x minus 1 plus 0, then 2x minus 1. Okay, then substitute the value of u here. U value is x square minus x plus 1 whole to the power of 7. Then du by dx is 2x minus 1. Okay, let us go for the next problem. Let us go for the next type of problem here in this chain rule. So I am doing two types also here. Sine cube x here. Okay, let us take y is equal to sine cube x. Okay, yeah, I have taken y is equal to sine cube x. So I will differentiate. So I will consider this is an x, direct method. So differentiation of y with respect to x is, so x to the power of 3 differentiation is 3x square. So in the place of x is here, what is there? Sine is there. Okay, so 3 sine square x. Again in the place of x is I have taken a sine x. So let us differentiate sine x. Then 3 sine square x, sine x differentiation is cos x. Okay, so let us apply substitution method here. Let us take here y is equal to sine cube x. Here sine x means you should take sine x as an u. Okay, u is equal to sine x. Then y is equal to here what happens? U to the power of 3. Differentiation of y with respect to x is equal to 3u square differentiation of u with respect to x. Then differentiate u with respect to x. Du by dx is equal to sine x differentiation is cos x. Then substitute here 3u value is sine square x. Then du by dx means cos x. Let us go for the next problem here. So next problem is sine cube root x. Sine cube root x. Okay. So y is equal to sine cube root x. So here I will consider sine root x as an x, means differentiation of y with respect to x is 3 sine square root x. 3 sine square root x. Okay. So here again I have taken sine square root x as an x. So I will differentiate sine root x again. Differentiate this one. So 3 sine square root x. Sine root x differentiation is cos root x. In the place of x is root x is there. So again I will differentiate this one. 3 sine square root x cos root x, then root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. So this is the direct method. So let us substitute this one. Okay. So let us take here y is equal to sine cube root x. Okay. So u is equal to root x. Let us take u is equal to root x. To take root x, then y is equal to sine cube u. Sine cube u. Okay. Again, let us take here v is equal to sine u. V is equal to sine u. Okay. So let us substitute here v cube. Okay. So if you differentiate this with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to 3v square. Again differentiation of v with respect to is dv by dx. Okay. So now let us differentiate v with respect to u. With respect to u means, so this differentiation is sine u differentiation is cos u. Okay. Again, so you should differentiate with respect to x. You should differentiate with respect to x means 1 by 2 root x. Okay. 1 by 2 root x. So I have differentiate here. We have differentiate, sorry, yeah. I will differentiate y with respect to v only. Okay. With respect to v only means 3v square. Here little bit change will happen. Okay. So you have to find here differentiation of y with respect to x. Okay. Differentiation of y with respect to x is equal to, let us take du dy by du into okay, dy by dx is equal to dy by dv into dv by du into du by dx. Then dy by du is 3y square. 3y square, then 3y square, then cos u, then 1 by 2 root x. In the place of u here, 3v square means sine square in the place of sine square u, cos u means cos root x into 1 by 2 root x. Then again here 3 sine square root x into cos root x into 1 by 2 root x. So this is the answer, substitution method. Okay, so little bit confusion because of here he has given the three, you have to take the three steps for differentiation in this. So in the substitution method you may get little bit confusion. You can do by direct method also. Okay, so now let us take next problem here. Next problem is log x, log of log x. Okay, so here log of log x, y is equal to log of log x. Okay, so let us do by direct method. So we know the differentiation of log x. Okay, we know the differentiation of log x is 1 by x. In the place of x here log x is there, so log of log x means 1 by log x, again differentiation of log x here. Okay, so 1 by log x into log x differentiation is 1 by x, then we can write 1 by x log x. Okay, then let us take a substitution method here. Log of log x, log of log x means log x, let us take u is equal to log x. Okay, so then substitute here, y is equal to log of u, then differentiation of y with respect to x is equal to log u. Log u means 1 by u, differentiation of again u with respect to x, then differentiate here u with respect to x, then du by dx is equal to 1 by x. Substitute the value of u here, u value is log x, then du by dx value is 1 by x, then we can write 1 by x into log x. Okay, take down the next problem here. E to the power of cot x, e to the power of cot x. Okay, so y is equal to e to the power of cot x here. Y is equal to e to the power of cot x. So we know the differentiation of e to the power of x, differentiation is e to the power of x only. So here in the place of x here cot x has given, so let us assume that cot x is an x only, but you have to write cot x. E to the power of cot x is e to the power of cot x, then in the place of x is there cot x, so again differentiate cot x, then e to the power of cot x differentiation is minus cosecant square x, then minus cosecant square x into e to the power of cot x. Okay, we can solve this by substitution method, e to the power of cot x, then u is equal to cot x. To differentiate y with respect to x, or substitute first y is equal to e to the power of u, then differentiation of y with respect to x is equal to e to the power of u is e to the power of u only. Okay, then here u is their function, so differentiation of u with respect to x you have to do. So differentiation of u with respect to x is equal to cot x differentiation is minus cosecant square x, then substitute the values e to the power of cot x, then minus cosecant square x, then minus cosecant square x into e to the power of cot x. So this is the answer. Okay, so you can try these problems, very important problems. Okay, so I will give some problems as an assignment. Take down that questions and solve by yourself. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay, so take down the questions. Y is equal to secant 2x, y is equal to root tan x, then y is equal to cos of log x, then y is equal to square root of 3x square minus 7x plus 2. Next one, y is equal to sine cube of x square plus 7. Then next one, y is equal to e to the power of root x. Then next one, y is equal to log of sine x. Then next one, y is equal to sine ax. Then next, y is equal to sine cube 8x. The next one, y is equal to tan to the power of 8 of 3x square plus 4. Next one, y is equal to log of tan root x. The next one, y is equal to sine root x. The next one, y is equal to tan of root log x. The next one, y is equal to 2 minus x whole to the power of 4 whole to the power of 10. Then next one, y is equal to cos square x. The next, y is equal to tan cube x. The next one, y is equal to 1 plus log x whole to the power of 5. Next one, 1 by sin x plus cos x. Then last problem, so in this product rule is the, so we'll give in the next class, sin to the power of 4, then log x. Okay, so solve these problems as an assignment questions. Okay.